Hi everyone. Are you planning to learn data structure and algorithm using Python programming? If yes, then it is the right time to start it. In this particular series, I am going to talk about what is data structure and algorithm. So this is not going to be a short videos. We are planning to deliver this course in next 40 days. So if you are really interested, if you really want to learn data structure and algorithm, please, please follow this channel. And if you are not interested, no worry, don't follow it. So let me discuss you what are the content or what are the topic we are going to cover in this particular series or in this course. We'll start our journey by learning OOPS concept. Okay, like we will learn what is class, what is object, what is constructor, what is different type of variable like local variable, global variable, what is the scope of it, a different type of method, inheritance concept, polymorphism, abstraction. So we will build all foundation very strong. Okay, so we'll start our journey with the OOPS concept. Once we're done with the OOPS concept, we'll move towards a different type of data structure like linear data structure, non-linear data structure. For an example, like what is array, okay, and like tree, graph, stack, queue, different kind of data structure. We'll cover it. As I mentioned in the start, like we're also going to cover algorithm, like how searching method work, how sorting method work. So different type of algorithm we'll cover in this particular videos. So if you are really interested and if you're planning to learn it, so I'm giving you a challenge for you as well as for myself. In next 40 days, we will learn data structure and algorithm together. So please follow this channel, and I'm giving you uh, I'm giving you surety that you will be you will find yourself better programmer after 40 days. So if you're new to this channel and if you are planning to learn the data structure algorithm next 40 days, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Why? Because if you not press it, you'll not get the notification of the videos. And I told you that I will upload one video every day. Okay. And I believe in process. Okay. No one can learn anything in one day. Okay. So if you want to achieve any big thing, okay, so always follow the process. Okay. So let's suppose you want to be a good programmer. Okay. So you cannot be good programmer in one day. Okay. You have to break your goal into small pieces. Okay. So if I'm saying 40 days, so now you don't think about like what will happen after 40 days. Think what you can do today. Okay. Let's suppose if I'm uploading the videos. So see, explaining a concept or as a I because if I will explain a concept, that will be very small knowledge, but after learning those concepts, I will go and I will read other resources. So that will boost my knowledge. For an example, if I'm learning how what is constructor, okay, so I will teach something, and after learning what is constructor, start searching it on different places. So your knowledge will be your knowledge will increase actually. So don't be in hurry. Okay, so learning is a very slow process. Okay, if you're planning like okay, I will learn this thing in one day, that is not possible. Not for it is not possible for anyone. Okay, so be in process. If you be in a process, believe me, you'll get some result. Definitely you'll get some result. So please follow this channel for next 40 days, and definitely you'll find some change. Bye, take care.